finish this game. Please. I'm playing a season and I'm doing good. Why? I am doing good. No, let me finish this video game. No, you have to understand. Please, just give me 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes and then I'll hold you the rest of the night. Please. Come on, man. I'm almost over. It's almost done. Yo, it's close. It's 5 minutes. Oh, come on. You can sit here still while I play. Just be patient. You do have patience. Don't say you don't have patience. Yeah! Did you see that play? That was a good play, wasn't it? What? You want to play? You can't play. Yeah, you're a bird. I know. You can't play. You're silly. Just give me a few minutes, please. Calm down. In a few minutes, I'll pet you. Yes, I'll pet your head like you like. Yeah, you can lay your head on my shoulder like you like. Yes. Yeah. Just give me a minute. Oh.